Alrighty, YouTubers, I am definitely happy to show you guys this VORTOPT reverse osmosis water filter that I ordered from Amazon. You guys could too. Check out the footage coming up right about now. This is an intelligent water purifier. Amazing stuff. And grab your popcorn. Enjoy the show. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from my good friends over at VORTOPT. This is an intelligent water purifier system. Pure water machine reverse osmosis. Definitely check it out. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Alrighty guys, everybody should have one of these in their homes. These are really nice to have. Get clean, purified water right at your tap. I already did the unboxing, but my camera got screwed up in the middle of the process. So here we go. We got everything out of the box. This is all the goodies you get. I'll show you more in a second. This is the 400 GPD fast flow NSF certified TDS reduction USA Tech superb taste RO water filter system under the sink with faucet. You get the manual right here, and then it should tell me everything you need to know. And hopefully the video above showed you guys how to install this. Hopefully that helped. But you got the faucet. It's right there. Right over there. And then we got these. Get this hose. Get these clamps or bracket, and get this hose. And then you get the reverse osmosis storage tank. That's this big guy in the back. And then it's working pressure 50 psi's. Bottom air charge pressure is 5 to 8 psi's. So that's good stuff right here. Now here's the unit. Move this around. Here we go. 1 second. Alright guys, here we go. Here's the front. Got a nice display right there. Here's the top. I don't know if you guys could read it because of the light. But pure water, pressure tank, water, wastewater, and then tap water is right there. And then I do believe should be easy to slide. Alright guys, right here on the side, it'll say open here. You just pop it open. Here are the tanks. It takes 35 seconds to change it. Right now we don't need to change it, but all you gotta do is pop this and then pull it out and then pop it back in. You got the C2, the RO, the PC, post carbon filter. The RO is the reverse osmosis filter. And then the PC is a folding PP and carbon black composite filter. Here we go. Should be easy to put back on, hopefully. But you can also order extra tanks through Amazon, and the links will be down below. So there you go. That's easy to put snap on. There we go. It's like comes with the cord. right here. Got a sector right there. Turn it on for a second. Show you guys the display. I just gotta clean underneath my sink and all that good stuff. Yeah, I got a smaller machine, kind of like this, but this is definitely a nice one to have. There we go. Alright, it's plugged in. See? PCROCT. You go reset, flush it, and it'll flush out the water into the tank. But yeah, everything works great. Just take your time with it. And like I said, older folks, you might want to help them out with the install, as you can see in the video.